Hey folks, Tim Thomas here live at the Command Center. Hey, great things are happening. Summer is heating up. And folks, I'm telling you what, work from home has never been this good. Affiliate marketing. Folks, I'm telling you what, we're off to the races. We have got postcard proof here. We are mailing the 25K Madness program. We are mailing the Prosperity People System program. And we're off to the races. Folks, look at this, the Cash Cow postcard. Folks, I tell you what, summer is heating up and great things are happening. If you're not in some of these programs, guys, you might want to look at all of them, because I tell you what, I could not be more excited. That postcard is exploding. That postcard is exploding. And I'm telling you what, Prosperity People System. Folks, do you have leads? Wilson's list. If you're, whatever program you're mailing, you want to be in Wilson's list. You want to make sure that you have the direct mail leads that you need for success. Folks, we've got, if you want to get a part of Wilson's list, the link will be below the video. Folks, look at this. Here it is, the ultimate high power, hotline, order grabbing, profit generating mailing list that can help stuff your mailbox with orders and your wallet with cash. Folks, I tell you what, this right here contributes to my success, having the right mailing list. You might have a mailing list that you like, folks, but why not add this to the arsenal? You cannot have enough. And folks, I tell you what, look at this. Here is a box of the 25K Madness postcard. Folks, you make $25 per level, $25 per sign up. What if you go sign up 5, 10, 15, 20 people? Well, your name's gonna go at number 2 on their postcard, and then you're off to the races. Folks, look at the money orders. I want to welcome Felix to the program, Donna and Cheryl to the program on today. Here is, you get $25 per sign up. Look at that. Level 1, you're gonna make $25. Level 2, you're gonna make, when you sign up somebody, you're gonna move to level number 2. And then you start getting those $25 override. Level 3, same thing. Override. When you get a chance, folks, what I want you to do, pause the video, dial that number. Dial that number. It will explain how those $25 payments will add up in a fast and a quick way. Absolutely incredible. There's Cash Cow. Folks, you get paid on 2 levels here. Cash Cow, $100 on level 1, $100 on level 2, and then $100 to the company. Folks, this is direct mail done right. Oh, and you want to know about the Prosperity People System? There it is. There's our weekly conference calls. I could not be more excited about these opportunities. Folks, it's go time. It is go time. We are looking at explosions and people wanting to join opportunities. I mean, we're off to the races, and we want you to be a part of what we're trying to get accomplished. I want you to get involved with the 25K Madness postcard. If you're watching the video, I will put the information below the video. Get a hold of me. I will email you a copy. Cash Cow. We're mailing that thing. I want you to be able to get that. When you join Cash Cow, folks, I'll give you some free leads. Let me know, and I'll send you some free leads and Prosperity People System. I'll send you 100 free leads to test the program, get you off to the races. And don't forget the mailing list. If you need email leads, we've got them for you. I'll tell you what, guys, I've got some great videos coming out this week. I want you to make sure you take a look at them. I am super excited. We're helping so many people. What if 1,000, 10,000, 25K? What's your goal? The sky is the limit. Income disclaimer, folks, in life, nothing happens. Nothing in life happens until you take action. Congratulations, you are a member of your downlines, has earned $25 commission with the 25K Madness program. All right, folks, here's my box of postcards. I'm gonna be mailing some more. Look at this, folks. Actually, these are ready to go to the post office. We've got a stack of these. They're ready. They're already stamped, got people's name on them. Got the stamp, people's name on them. I've got 400 postcards here, right before your face, ready, set, go. All right, folks, if you liked the video and enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Bye for now. Until the next video.